Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with a new topic, that is Practical Geometry Chapter 4 from 8th class NCERT. In previous classes, 6th and 7th class, you already learnt about the geometry. Here we are going to do practical geometry. So practical geometry is nothing but we are going to construct a geometrical things. Especially in this chapter we are going to do constructing quadrilaterals, what we have studied in a previous chapter. So this is construction of quadrilaterals. This chapter belongs to most of these things. So before going into the introduction, we know quadrilaterals and we know about the geometry also. In earlier classes you already learnt of the construction of triangle. That means it makes three angles and with the three sides. So we know it is a triangle. How we are making a triangle construction? Take a base, let it be AB, and B has some making an angle like 45 degrees, and AC has a 4 centimeters, etc. So then we do with a compass and we join this line AC. So it is a triangle ABC with a given lengths and angles. So this is the construction of a triangle. But coming to the quadrilateral, we have 4 sides and 4 angles. So this is the one type of quadrilateral, and this is also one type of quadrilateral. This is also another type of quadrilateral, and square is also, and there is a kite also there. This is a special type of a quadrilateral, and trapezium. So these are the quadrilaterals we already learnt in our previous classes and previous chapter also. So here in this chapter we are going to learn about the construction of quadrilaterals. All are these. Those are rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, square, kite and trapezium. So here rectangle. In this case rectangle we have 4 sides. These two are equal and these two are equal. We have 4 right angles and 2 diagonals. They are bisecting each other. So in case of this, we have to construct a rectangle. There is a chance of giving 2. Question is if they are given as a equal lengths and equal breadths, or in case they have to give an angle. This rectangle have a 490 degrees. So 4 right angles. So we have constructed easily. Next, coming to the parallelogram also. So these two are parallel and these opposite sides are parallel. There is a diagonal also. So by these, where is a one side and by angle or a diagonal. All these cases have to give side, angle or a diagonal. These are must and should for the construction of a quadrilateral. In case of special cases like a square and a rhombus, we know that is square have all 4 sides equal and have 90 degrees. So here is a chance of given with the one side. So then we have to construct a square. In case of rhombus also, there is a, if in case they give a diagonal. So diagonals are equal to each other. So if they give one diagonal, so we have to construct a rhombus also. These two are special cases of a construction of quadrilaterals. But among these two remaining 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, those are rectangle and a parallelogram and a kite and a trapezium. We know that is if any angle and if any sides or all sides and one angle or a diagonal or another side given. So we have to construct with each case. There are 5 cases in this construction of quadrilaterals. So let's see, that is A. When 4 sides and one diagonal are given. So in this case 4 sides and one diagonal are given. In this case here 4 sides given. So let it be example, let it be 4 sides like A, B, C, G. So here AB and BC and CD and DA. like this seems to be. Let it be a rectangle. So this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. If one diagonal are given, either A or C or A, B or D, let it be BD. So BD. So these are given. So we have to construct a quadrilateral. By using these, we construct rectangle easily because of in a rectangle we have 4 right angles, right? So we have to choose one base and make a 90 degrees here, here also 90 degrees, and make a diagonal with this. Here is the point, and measure the length of one side, and it is because of opposite sides are equal in a rectangle, then we have to move this line to get a parallel line to this line, and it is also equal to the one of the base we taken. So this is the construction of rectangle with the 4 sides and one diagonal. This is just example. Next case is case B. When two diagonals and 3 sides are given. 3 sides are given. So see this, in this case 2 diagonals and 3 sides. So if you want to construct a parallelogram, for example, or a trapezium also, so let it be angle diagonal PQRS. So 2 diagonals, that is nothing but a trapezium. I am taking example trapezium as example. So PQ one side and 2 diagonals. So Q, from Q and from P we have to measure the angles with the help of compass. Then we have to draw these 2 lines, and another side also given. So here we have to put the another angle. So another angles is so like that. So this is the construction of a parallelogram. For example, I tell you that is a trapezium also. This is the example of when 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. Next, coming to the C, another type, when 2 adjacent sides, and 3 angles are given. So 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles. Take another parallelogram. Let it be RSTU. So here construct with the 2 adjacent sides and make 3 angles from here and here. Make like this, and another angle also from here. So here we get a point. So this is RSTU. This is the one type of construction with the 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. Next, coming to the D, when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. Here we know about the angles, but included angles is nothing but if you take a base like this, here is the one angle right angle, and here is the another angle like 30 degrees or a 60 degrees, etc. Then we have to construct a quadrilateral like this. So next, coming to the E, this is the special type of properties. So when other special properties are known. I already told you these 2 are special type. One is rhombus and the other one is square. If they given one side, we have to construct a square easily because of all sides are equal in a square. And also we have 4 right angles in a square. Then we have to construct easily with the one side to a square. Next, coming to the rhombus also, this is the easiest way to construct a quadrilateral with a rhombus also. So these are about the construction of quadrilaterals in our practical geometry. And this is for now. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box and click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with the topic practical geometry. Here one of the cases of the construction of quadrilateral, that is when the lengths of four sides and the diagonals are given. So by constructing a quadrilateral we have to know the sides and angles and diagonals, but in this case we have four sides and the diagonals are given. If you construct any quadrilateral, that is nothing but a four-sided polygon, so there is a need to angle and a side and a diagonals also. In this case we have four sides and one diagonal. So here we have to construct with these given parameters. So let's start with the example, then you will get better understanding about the how the four-sided and one diagonal given, then how we are going to construct a quadrilateral. So let's start example. Construct a quadrilateral PQRS where PQ 4 centimeters, QR 6 centimeters, RS 5 centimeters and PS 5.5 centimeters and PR equal to 7 centimeters. Here are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides are given and another one is 7 centimeters. This is a diagonal. How I can say it is a diagonal? Let's take a example and a rough sketch about the any quadrilateral construction. Then from that we construct a good picture and a good figure from the rough sketch. So let's start a rough sketch. Let PQRS is a quadrilateral. So I am taking a base as PQ. It is a rough sketch only, so it is a PQ, okay, with a 4 centimeters. Next, it is the first step to construction of quadrilateral. So this is PQ. Next, here QR having 6 centimeters. So take a compass with the 6 centimeters, put a point here at Q and then make an arc with here 6 centimeters. We don't know where the point we have to put. So let it stop up to here. Next, coming to the RS 5 centimeters. So we don't have S and R points here. So skip that step. Next, PS equal to 5.5 centimeters. Here we have P point. So we have to start with the compass. Take a 5.5 centimeters on a compass. Then put the pointer here. Make an arc with the 5.5 centimeters. So now we have two arcs here. But we don't have a points. Let's take PR is a 7 centimeters. So here just you can observe this, here PQ and this is R and this is S, but we don't know points where to put, but here one diagonal is given, PR equals 7 centimeters. So let's take at P with the compass 7 centimeters, put the pointer here, take 7 centimeters with an arc like this. So this is 7 centimeters diagonal. So let it be point as R. So PR equals 7 centimeters and this point we already know that is 6 centimeters. So this is QR 6 centimeters. Now we have to construct RS equal to 5 centimeters. We get the point R. So we make with a 5 centimeters. We have to make with a R. Take a compass with a 5 centimeters. Make an arc at a point S. This is the point. So this is like this. Join these points where we get S and R. So lastly complete PS with a 5.5 centimeters. This is a just rough sketch about the given question and I hope you understand this. Now let's start with the original construction here. So let's take a answer. I am giving step by step procedure for the construction of any quadrilateral. So let's move into the step 1. So here given PQRS and PQ equal 4 centimeters. So before going into the step 1, we have to write what given in the question. Given PQERS quadrilateral with PQ 4 centimeters and QR 6 centimeters, RS 5 centimeters, PS 5.5 centimeters and PR equal to 7 centimeters. If you take any construction of a quadrilateral or a triangle, we have to take a base. So step 1, take base PQ 4 centimeters. So here step 1 is completed. Let's take the help of scale and pencil. So here, so this is the 4 centimeters. Look at the scale and make it straight, and then put a point at 0, and we have to measure 4 centimeters from this. So this is the 4 centimeters. Now draw a line. Name it as PQ. So this is the Q and this is the P. I am highlighting the points. So now this is 4 centimeters. Okay. Next step. Step 2. What we have to do? QR or a PS we have to construct. I am taking QR here. So let's take QR equal to 6 centimeters with the help of compass. Make an arc from Q with 6 centimeters. So take a compass and take scale also. Put the 6 centimeters. So this is the, observe here, we have to put the 0 pointer at 0, and that is 6 centimeters. So here this is, in the practical geometry we have to observe at a, there is a Poisson error because of we are measuring at one side and looking at any angles, then we get an answer wrongly. Make sure that you have to see the any measurement with the top angle only. This is the 6 centimeters. See here. So now take 6 centimeters, pointer at a Q, and make an arc at, so this is the point, make an arc. Now with the 6 centimeters. Next, moving to the step 3. Next, construct RS. We don't have points R and S, so let's construct. Let's take PS equal to 5.5 centimeters from point P. Same as usual, take a scale and measure 5.5. So here put at 0 and make this 5.5. So any way you have to measure with a compass or any other, make sure that there is no have to Poisson error, so position error. So here we have to look at from the top angle only. So it is 5.5. So put a pointer at P and make an arc with a 5.5. Next, step 4. PR equal to 7 centimeters. Let's make a diagonal with PR equal to 7 centimeters. So take a scale again and make sure that 7 centimeters. So put the pointer at 0, and that is drag the pencil to 7 centimeters. So this is 7 centimeters, and draw from P like this, and we get a point here. So this is R because of we are making a diagonal from P and R. So that is R. So we already know that is QR is 6 centimeters. So here PR is 7 centimeters. Now let's make another step, that is step 5, that is RS equal to 5 centimeters. Make RS equal to 5 centimeters. So take a pencil again and put this pointer at 0. Make sure that 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. So from R we have to draw a line here. Make R is equal to 5 centimeters from point R. So this is the point where the met. So it is called S. So now finally join the lines PES and SR like this. So SR is 5 centimeters and PS is 5.5 centimeters. See here, this is similar to this diagram, right? So we get finally a quadrilateral. We get a quadrilateral PQRS with a given 4 sides and a diagonal. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box and click like button. Share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with the topic when 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. So we are in construction of quadrilaterals in practical geometry from 8th class NCERT. So this case is when 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. In previous videos we already learnt about when 2 sides are given how we have to construct, and if they given 4 sides how we have to construct the quadrilateral. So here 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given, then we have to construct a quadrilateral with a given measurements. Okay, let's move into the question. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD given that BC equal to 4.5 centimeters, AD equal to 5.5 centimeters, CD equal to 5 centimeters, the diagonal AC equal to 5.5 centimeters and diagonal BD equal to 7 centimeters. Here are 2 diagonals and 1, 2, 3 sides are given as per the case. So now we have to construct the quadrilateral ABC. So let's take into rough sketch about this quadrilateral, then we have to move to the original step-by-step procedure for the construction of a quadrilateral. So let's take ABCD here. Here 1, 2, 3 sides are given. From these 3 sides we have to get a one base. So I am taking BC as a base. So let it be BC with a 4.5 centimeter. This is step 1. Next AD, we don't have points A and D, skip this, and CD equal to 5 centimeters. So at C make an arc with the 5 centimeters. This is the step 2. So here one is BD equal to 7 centimeters. So from B we take 7 centimeters as third step. Make an arc at a point. The 2 curves are meeting at a point. Join these 2 lines. We get a triangle. After that we have AC 5.5 centimeters. From C we have to make a arc with a 5.5 centimeters like this. Next, apart from this we have to skip this. AD equal to 5.5 centimeters. So at D we have to put a 5.5 centimeters with a compass and make an arc here. So this arc makes 1 point. So by joining these points we get a quadrilateral. Make diagonals also. So this is the 4th step, and this is the 5th step, and this was the 6th step. Here are 6 steps are there, including the joining the points. So let's move into the step-by-step procedure. So take step 1. Given ABCD quadrilateral BC is equal to 4.5 centimeters and AD is equal to 5.5 centimeters. CD is equal to 5 centimeters. AC is equal to 5.5 centimeters and BD is equal to 7 centimeters. These two are diagonals and this is side. Okay, next step 1. Take base as BC, that is 4.5 centimeters. So let's take a base as 4.5 centimeters, right? So let's take base. This is point O and 4.5. Name it as BC 4.5 centimeters. The step 1 is over. Next step 2, making an arc. So step 2, if we are easy with the drawing rough sketch of a quadrilateral, then we get answer and steps easily from that sketch. So step 2, here we taken as steps 2 is this. So let's see, CD equal to 5 centimeters. Make an arc with 5 centimeters from point C. So take compass and mark 5 centimeters. Like this. So this is the 5 centimeters. So make an arc from C with the 5 centimeters. So 5 centimeters. We don't know whether the line will come. So next step 3. Step 3. This is the step 3. Make a diagonal with the BD equal 7 centimeters. Make a diagonal. BD is equal to 7 centimeters from point B. So measure 7 centimeters on a scale with a compass. So 7, this is 7. From B make an arc. So this is the meeting point of two arcs. Meet this two, join these 2 points. So this is 7 centimeters. This is point D, and under 2 points also we have, that is CD with a 5 centimeters. So we constructed like this. We get a BCD triangle. Now we have to construct another triangle to get a quadrilateral. So now here CD equal to 5 centimeters is over. BC equal to 4 centimeters is over. AD we have to construct. Skip this. And diagonal AC equal to 5 centimeters. Sorry, 5.5 centimeters. Now start from C. Make a diagonal from C. So let's write the step. Step 4. Make another diagonal with 5.5 centimeters from point C as AC. So from C we have to measure the 5.5 centimeters. So 5.5. So make an arc. Now finally we get a point D also. Here AD 5.5 centimeters. So now from D we have to make 5.5 centimeters another arc. So step 5. Step 5. Make another side from point D as 5.5 centimeters as AD. So take another 5.5 centimeters. So 5.5 from D, make an arc like this. Those two arcs are meeting at a point. So say that point as OA. So this is the A. Now join the AB and BAD. So here AB we don't know how much centimeters is that, but AD we constructed with the 5.5 centimeters, and another diagonal we make from C, that is AC is equal to 5.5 centimeters. So we get a kite here. See, this type of construction is on the kites, but it is similar to kite, but it is a parallelogram. Now finally we construct a quadrilateral. So result, we construct a quadrilateral with 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. So this is about this session. This is about the construction of quadrilateral with the 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with the topic when 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are known, from Practical Geometry 8th class ncert. Here in previous videos we already learnt about the when 3 adjacent sides and 2 diagonals are given, then how to we construct a quadrilateral, and so many cases. Here is the case 3. If 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given, then we have to construct a quadrilateral with the given parameters. So see here example, then you will make it the good understand about this case, or that is 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are known. Okay, let's start example. Construct a quadrilateral MIST where MI is equal to 3.5 centimeters, IS equal to 6.5 centimeters, angle M equal to 75 degrees, angle I is equal to 105 degrees, and angle S equal to 120 degrees. So this is the given parameters and of the quadrilateral MIST. So we have to construct this. So before going into the construction of a quadrilateral MIST, we have to make a rough sketch about this. Then we will get a better picture of a quadrilateral. So let's moving into the rough sketch of the quadrilateral MIST. So take here MIIS. Here 2 sides, those are adjacent sides, and 3 angles. So here MIST, let it be just as a quadrilateral. So here we have MI. So this is M, this is IS. So let it be base as a IS 6.5 centimeters. This is step 1. And at I and S we have 2 angles. So take at I 105 degrees. Take a protractor here. Make 105 degrees like this. And here S we have 120 degrees. So take protractor here. This is step 2. This is step 1. This is step 3. Make another angle 120 degrees here. Like this. Okay. Next this is over and this is over. Step 3. Next coming to the step 4. We have to construct a line MI equal to 3.5 centimeters. We have a one line, right? So take 3.5 centimeters with a compass and make an arc at a 3.5 centimeters in a line. So this is the step 4. We get a point. So here at a point, this is a line we get. Here we have to put a protractor and mark 75 degrees. So if you make a 75 degrees, this is the straight, and let it be just, it is an example rough sketch like this. If this and this points meet at a point, this is the T. So there is no lengths are given. So draw a line and meeting at a point here, this is also line. So this is the trapezium. This is step 5. Finally we are meeting 6. So these are the 6 steps according to the given quadrilateral. This is the just rough sketch of the quadrilateral. It is a trapezium in a shape, we know that. So let's move into the step by step procedure. Here step 1. Before step 1 we have to write the given also. So here given MIST quadrilateral has sides MI equal to 3.5 centimeters and IS equal to 6.5 centimeters and angle M is equal to 75 degrees and angle I is equal to 105 degrees and angle S is equal to the 120 degrees. Now make a step here. So this is the step 1. Now draw a base as IS is equal to 6.5 centimeters. So make a line here as 6.5 centimeters. So this is 1, this is 0 and this is 6.5. Put a point and connect these 2 points. Let it be IS as 6.5 centimeters. Step 1 is over. Next, coming to step 2, we have to construct a angle. So step 2, take the help of protractor to make an angle that is at I as angle 105 degrees, at I as 105 degrees. So take the protractor and put the protractor middle point at a point where you have to measure the angle and make sure that the 0 line is must be parallel to the original line. So this is the line and we have to measure the 105 degrees. So this is 90, 100. So this is 105. So draw a line connecting to these 2 points. This is making an angle 105 degrees. Okay, step 2 is over. Next, step 3, we have to construct MI. So step 3, make an arc at M as M at point I. Make an arc as M from point I with a, here MI is equal to the 3.5 centimeters. 3.5 centimeters. So take the help of a compass and mark as 3.5. Measure 3.5 here. See, this is 3.5 and make an arc from I. So this is 3.5. This is 3.5 centimeters. This is the point M. So we get a point M. So let's move into the next. Here we have an angle S 120 degrees. So step 4, take the help of protractor to make an angle that is at S as angle S have 120 degrees, that is angle 120 degrees. So take the protractor help and make sure that where we have to measure the angle, put the point at a middle point and make sure that that line must be parallel to the which line we have to draw. So this is the correct position for measuring the angle. So now we have to measure 120 degrees. So this is 120 degrees. Put a point here and connect these 2 points S and where we are kept an angle. So this is 120 degrees. Next, we have to construct another angle, that is M equal to 75 degrees. So step 5. Make an angle at point M as 75 degrees. So here put the protractor here at M. Make sure that the line should be parallel to the 0 line of a protractor and point must be at a pointer. So make the angle 75 degrees. So this is 90, this is 70. In between 80 and 70 there is a 75. Put a point and draw a line through that point like this. So this is a point where these two met. So this is angle 75 degrees. This is the angle M and this is the point MIST. That's all. Completed the construction of a quadrilateral. Here we have a trapezium, right? So finally result, we constructed a quadrilateral with a given 2 adjacent sides. Here adjacent sides, here we have 2 adjacent sides as MI and IS. So we have 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles. So this is about the given quadrilateral. We constructed a trapezium. We know that this shape, that's why we are telling it as a trapezium. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on the comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with another case, that is when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given in a practical geometry from 8th class NCERT. Question is construct a quadrilateral ABCD where AB equal to 4 cm, B is equal to 5 cm, CD is equal to 6.5 cm and angle B equal to 105 cm and angle C equal to 80 cm. See this case. In previous videos we already learned about the when 3 adjacent sides and 2 angles are given. When 2 sides are given, 3 angles are given. Here in this case we have 3 sides and 2 included angles. Included angles is nothing but one type of adjacent angles also. So if you make a construction of a quadrilateral ABCD, draw a rough sketch here, then you will get a better picture in the original construction of a quadrilateral ABCD. So let's start a rough sketch here. So ABCD like ABCD like this. So take first of all base as a 5 centimeters. So BC is equal to 5 centimeters. So this is the step 1. Here I put up points like this. Here, this is the shape of a quadrilateral, whether it may be trapezium, rectangle or a square, parallelogram, whatever the shape. But in a quadrilateral we have 4 sides and 4 points. So that's why I kept like this. Then we will get a better understanding of a construction. So here we have BC as 5 centimeters. Now we have angles at B and angle C. See here we have adjacent angles. Those are included angles also. So at a B, put a protractor and make a line as 105 degrees. So this is 105 degrees. Similarly at C, take the protractor and make an angle 80 degrees. So this is 80 degrees. So now we know BC equal 5 centimeters already done. This is step 1, this is step 2 and this is step 3. Next AB equal to 4 centimeters. Take a compass help and make 4 centimeters with the compass and draw an arc at 4 centimeters. So this is 4 centimeters. This is step 4. And similarly make here CD 6.5 like this. So we get a D also. By meeting these 2 points we get AD line. So this is a just simple rough sketch of the given quadrilateral. Let's move into the step-by-step procedure of construction of a quadrilateral ABCD. So before going into the making steps, we have to write the given measurements. So given AB is equal to 4 centimeters, BC is equal to 5 centimeters, CD is equal to 6.5 centimeters, and angle B is equal to 105 degrees, and angle C is equal to 80 degrees. So now step 1. Draw a base as, this is step 1, right? So BC equal to 5 centimeters. So take the help of scale and pencil and draw a line the 5 centimeters and make 2 points like this. This is B and this is C, 5 centimeters. Step 2. Make an angle at B as angle B is equal to 105 degrees. So put the protractor here, make an angle 105 degrees. So this is 90, 100, 105. Here mark the line and make a line here with the combining these 2 lines. This is nothing but a 105 degrees. Same like that. Next, step 3. Now take the step 3, that is angle C. So write it as make an angle at C as angle C is equal to 80 degrees. So measure the 80 degrees at C. So make sure that that point should be equal to that point, measuring point 90 degrees, and line should be parallel to the 0 degrees line, and make an 80 degrees. So from here this is 80 degrees and draw a line through the passing to that point like this. So this is 80 degrees, and now we know the lines AB and CD. So from AB we have to construct 4 centimeters with arc. So that is as step 4. So draw an arc from point B as AB is equal to 4 centimeters. So now take the help of scale and construct a measurement with the 4 centimeters. Make sure that there is no position error when pointing a compass or a scale also. So this is 4 centimeters. And point B, make an arc as A. So that point as A. So this is A with a 4 centimeters. And next, step 5. Similarly make another side also. Similarly make another side as CD is equal to 6.5 centimeters. So C take 6.5 centimeter in a scale, and this is 6.5 arc. So when these 2 points are meeting, point it as a D and combine these 2 points AD. So this is a AD. We know CD as 6.5 centimeters and we don't know AD is given, but AB is given, BC is given. This is the 3 sides and two angles are given. I hope you understand this. Now the result is we constructed a quadrilateral ABCD with the given measurements. So I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with exercise 4.1 from Practical Geometry 8th class NCERT. Question is, construct the following quadrilateral rhombus BEST. So this is the name of the rhombus. Here given BE as 4.5 centimeters and ET as 6 centimeters. Now we have to construct a rhombus. So in a rhombus, we already know properties of a rhombus in previous chapter, that is understanding quadrilaterals. See description box for the link. And coming to here, in a rhombus we have a properties. This is in the shape and we have diagonals and all sides are equal in length. So diagonal bisect at a midpoint. Bisector means at a midpoint. So this is the properties of a rhombus. So here took the rough sketch for the given questions. Then we get a step-by-step procedure for the rhombus. Then we get answer easily. So let's make a rough sketch, that is rhombus. Take one base, that is ET 6 centimeters. This is nothing but a diagonal. Next, we know that is rhombus have all sides equal. So here BE 4.5 centimeters. From E we have to construct with the 4.5 centimeters an arc. This is 4.5 centimeters. This is step 1 and this is step 2. From here also we have to make same with the 4.5 centimeter. Here is the meeting point. Join their points and we get a two lines. This is 1 and this is 2. This is step 3. Similarly make another arc from T with a 4.5 centimeters and E2, this point we have to do with a 4.5 centimeters. Then we get a arc. So by joining these we get a rhombus like this with a one diagonal with a one side. We get a rhombus like this. So let's start construction of a rhombus with answer. So take a answer step 1. So make a rhombus with given diagonal, that is ET is equal to 6 centimeters. Draw 6 centimeters as ET. So take this. This is point O, that is 0, and this is 6. So like this. Make a line. So let it be point E and point T as 6 centimeters. So this is the step 1. Next, coming to the step 2. Step 2. Make an arc from E as BE is equal to 4.5 centimeters. So let's take a compass and scale. Measure 4.5 with a compass. So put the pointer at 0 and make 4.5. Keep it constantly, for all sides are equal in a rhombus. So start with the E and make an arc with the 4.5. So this is the arc. Next, coming to the step 3. Make another arc from T with the 4.5 centimeters, because we know that all sides of a rhombus are equal in length. So based on this property we have doing this. So let's take same measurement. I don't disturb this. Check it 4.5. So make from T another arc. Similarly make this step 5. Step 4 also here. Step 4 here. Repeat the step 3 for one more time. That is nothing but we have to construct from E with a 4.5 centimeters and T also 4.5 centimeters. So this is the one, and from E this is the another one. So put the points, highlight the points where the two arcs are meeting. So now join the points like this. Use pencil for the geometrical construction, because if there is an error you have to erase with the eraser. If you use pen or glitter or sketch, then if you get any mistake you cannot rub it. So E and B, BEST. So BEST with 4.5 centimeters, 4.5 centimeters, 4.5 centimeters, obviously 4.5 centimeters. So all are equal to each other. So this is the construction of a rhombus with a given one side and one diagonal. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with exercise 4.1 practical geometry from 8th class ncert. Question is, construct the following quadrilaterals. So here I took one quadrilateral, that is parallelogram MORE. So OR equal to 6 centimeters and RE is equal to 4.5 centimeters, EO equal to 7.5 centimeters. We know in a parallelogram opposite sides are parallel and equal and diagonals bisecting each other. So let's hear how they are given, and we have to construct a rough sketch for the given question. Then we are moving into the step-by-step procedure how to construct a parallelogram. Then we will get answer easily. Let's make a rough sketch here. So take more. So here OR or EO. Let's make a base for any quadrilateral. So I am taking as OR as 6 centimeters, and now from R we have 4.5 centimeters. So here we have to take a compass with at R with 4.5 centimeter. We make an arc. So this is the step 1 and this is the steps 2 with 4.5 centimeters. Then we know diagonal given EO is equal to the 7.5 centimeters. So from O we have to measure the 7.5 centimeters with a compass, then make an arc like this. So this is 7.5 centimeters. This is the third step. Next we construct and we combine these two lines. So we get a triangle here. So make the triangle opposite side also. Then we get a parallelogram here. So let's start with the OR. So here M we have to find that. So here OR is 6 centimeters. So similarly take from E, make an arc with the 6 centimeters. Similarly from O make 4.5 centimeters with the another. So we get a parallelogram like this or another type like this also. This is MORE quadrilateral. So let's start with step-by-step procedure. So step 1, take base of a quadrilateral that is we take OR, so OR is equal to 6 centimeters. So take the help of a scale and make a point set O, that is 0, and take 6 centimeters another point, and joining these 2 points we get a line that is OR with the 6 centimeters. This is the step 1 we completed already. Next, coming to the step 2. Step 2. Make an arc at E with 4.5 centimeters from point R. So here we have to take the compass help with the 4.5. So take the pencil and take the compass also. Put the compass at 0 and make 4.5 centimeters. So there is no issue to position error. So make it sure that we have to measure the 4.5 centimeters. So this is the exactly 4.5 centimeters. So let's start with the point R and make an arc 4.5 centimeters, that is E. We have to find the E point. So this is an arc with a 4.5 centimeters. Okay, this is 6 centimeters. Next, coming to the step 3. Here we took a step 3 as a diagonal, that is OE here given. So make a diagonal with 7.5 centimeters from point O as OE or EO. Okay, so now take the compass next also. Make 7.5 centimeters. So this is 0 and this is 7.5. Okay, 7.5. So put the point from point O. So put it point O pointer, then make an arc here. So this is the midpoint and cutting point of 2 arcs. So draw a line to connecting those 2 points. This is O and this is E. So we have OE as 7.5 centimeters and we know RE is 4.5 centimeters. Then if you have any doubt, measure the, this is telling as 4.5. Yes, it is exactly 4.5. This is the 4.5. Next, coming to the another one. Here we get a ORE triangle. Here is the given matter for this quadrilateral, but we have to construct a parallelogram. We know in a parallelogram we have opposite sides are parallel with equal length also. So now step 4, we know that parallelogram has opposite, equal and parallel lines. So here we have to take 6 centimeters from E to make a arc, So take 6 centimeters. Because of this is 6 centimeters, opposite side are parallel with equal centimeters. So take 6 centimeters. So here taking 6 centimeters and adjust the compass and take 6 centimeters from point E. Like this. Make an arc. Next step, we have to take another 4.5 also. So add this. Take 4.5 centimeters opposite side to RE from point O. So from point O we have to make 4.5 centimeters as I wrote. So take the scale and measure 4.5 centimeters again, and this is 4.5 centimeters. Start at O and make an arc. So we have a point that is M. So by joining these lines, so O and M and MO, so it is 4.5 centimeters. This is 6 centimeters. So finally we get the answer. So we constructed a quadrilateral MORE with given sides and a diagonal. This is the construction of a quadrilateral. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box and click like button. Share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with the topic Practical Geometry. I took Exercise 4.2 from 8th class NCERT. Question: construct the following quadrilaterals. Here I took one question, quadrilateral GOLD. Given sides OL equals 7.5 centimeters, GL is equal to 6 centimeters, GD is equal to 6 centimeters, LD is equal to 5 centimeters, OD is equal to 10 centimeters. Here are some diagonals and some sides are given. So we have to construct a quadrilateral naming as GOLD. Before going into the construction of a quadrilateral, we have to take a rough sketch here. Then we get a better understanding about the original sketch of the GOLD quadrilateral. Okay, let's start rough sketch here. Take any side. So I am taking OL as a side. OL. This is OL as a 7.5 centimeters. So this is O1. This is step 1. Next, coming to the from L or O, we have any connections, we have to check once. So here L we have GL. So here let it be G, here G, here O, L, D, like this quadrilateral. The sizes may vary, but here we have a points like this. So from L we have 6 centimeters from up to G. So this is a diagonal. So this is diagonal, right? So make L. From L we have to make a arc with the 6 centimeters. So 6 centimeters. This is second step. Next, coming to the another one, GD. These two are here, but we don't know points of G and D where it has. So let's move into the LD. So we know L, but we don't know L. So we don't know D. So we have to construct LD line. So from L, take a 5 centimeters and make an arc like this. Okay, this is the third step. Next, OD. So here E to here, this is a diagonal. From O we have to take a 10 centimeters, then make an arc and make a point, connect these 2 points. This is the step 4. We have 1 point and here also 1 point, so connect it. So LD is equal to 5 centimeters. Now from D we get a D, so we have to find G also. So GD is equal to 6 centimeters here. So from D we have to construct with the 6 centimeters and make an arc and put a point, joint all points like a line. So this is the construction. So GD is equal to 6 centimeters. OG we don't have. So this is another here diagonal, that is LG is equal to 6 centimeters and OD is equal to 10 centimeters. So this is the construction of a quadrilateral GOLD by a rough sketch. From this sketch we have to make steps and make original picture also. So let's move into the answer. This is the answer. First of all, write the given. So given quadrilateral GOLD with OL is equal to 7.5 centimeters, GL is equal to 6 centimeters and GD is equal to 6 centimeters and LD is equal to 5 centimeters OD is equal to 10 centimeters. Now make step 1. Take a base. So take a base as OL line with 7.5 centimeters. So take the base, take the help of scale and a pencil and draw OL as 7.5 centimeters. So this is from 0 to 7.5. Draw a line, naming it as OL 7.5 centimeters. Step 1 is over. Next, moving to the step 2, make a diagonal. So here, step 2, make a diagonal as which diagonal from L. So here we have LG. So as GL is equal to 6 centimeters from point L. So from point L, take 6 centimeters. This is 0 and make sure that is 6. No point, that is 6 centimeters here. So make an arc from L like this. Next, step 3. Step 3 is make another diagonals from O also, that is OD. Make another diagonal as OD is equal to 10 centimeters from point O. So take scale and measure 10 centimeters. So this is 10 at O and make an arc like this. So here is the two diagonals we have. Next we have to move to the L or a O. So here O is over and OD is over. From L we have point, that is LD equal to 5 centimeters. So step 4, make a line, that is side also, side LD is equal to 5 centimeters from point L. So take the compass and scale and make 5 centimeters. So this is 5. From L we have a make an arc. So we get a point here. So let it be point D and join the two lines, those are L. Join the 2 points, those are D and L. So LD is equal to 5 centimeters. This is. Now step 5, we have to construct OD. Already we constructed, so we get another diagonal. OD is equal to 10 centimeter and join those two lines also. Here we get a one diagonal and two sides. Step 5, we have to make another side from O. So we don't have, from D we have GD. So make a side with a 6 centimeters as GD. So from point D. So take scale and measure the 6 centimeters. So measure 6 centimeters and draw an arc from D. We get another point, that point is G. So meet two points L and G as a diagonal and G D as a side, that is nothing but 6 centimeters. GL is 6 centimeters and OD is 10 centimeters. Now finally connect GO. We don't have GO measurement here, so that's why we cannot measuring this. If you want to have to measure this, put a scale and measure, that is a 4.4 centimeters. So this is the quadrilateral we constructed. So finally result, we constructed a quadrilateral GOLD with the given 3 adjacent sides and 2 diagonals given. So this is about the construction of a quadrilateral with a given 3 sides and 2 diagonals. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with the exercise 4.3 from Practical Geometry 8 plus ncert. Question is, construct the following quadrilaterals. Here question 4, rectangle OKAY. This is OK. OK equal to 7 centimeters, K equal to 5 centimeters. Here are given 2 adjacent side measurements, but we have to construct a rectangle. We know the property of a rectangle. In a rectangle we have opposite sides are equal and other opposite sides are also equal. But in a rectangle we have 4 right angles at their corners. So at a point, let it be OKAY. So here we have OK and KA, but we don't have another 2 lines. But in a rectangle we know that is opposite sides are equal to each other. So here another property also, we have a 4 right angles. So by using this property we can construct a rectangle OKAY. Before going into the construction of a rectangle, we have to make a rough sketch of the rectangle. Then we will get the better picture about the constructor of a quadrilateral, that is a rectangle. So let's move into the rough sketch. Take step 1 as a base, that is OK. OK as 7 centimeters. This is the step 1. And KA, but we don't have an angle here, but we know that is right angle have 90 degrees. Put a protractor and make 90 degrees. Then we have 5 centimeters. Take the help of compass and make 5 centimeters arcs. This is the point as A. Now from A, put a protractor. Again we have to measure the 90 degrees straightly. So we have A and we don't know the centimeters, but in a case of rectangle we have opposite sides are equal to, so take 7 centimeters from with the arc, then make an arc. Here we get a point, meet these 2 points. Or else if you have to construct another way, make a protractor here, make 90 degrees, then we have meeting point at this, so we get a point Y. So these are, here we have 2 steps, but I am using angles here. So let's start step by step procedure. Before going into the step by step procedure, we have to write the given. So given OK is equal to 7 centimeters, KA is equal to 5 centimeters. To construct a rectangle OK. So step 1 is equal to, what is the step 1? Make a base. So make a base as OK is equal to 7 centimeters. So take the help of scale and draw 7 centimeters. So draw 7 centimeters, put a points at 0 and 7. and draw a line. So this is O and this is K as 7 centimeters. Step 1 is over. Next step 2, we have to construct a rectangle. So we have to use at a K. So step 2, take the help of protractor, make 90 degrees at point K. So take the help of protractor and make sure that the point must be at the where we have to measure the angle, and line should be parallel to the 0 degrees line. So put a 90 degrees at a point, draw a line. So this is a 90 degrees. So angle K makes an angle 90 degrees. So now we know K is equal to 5 centimeters. So step 3, make a line KA is equal to 5 centimeters. So from point K, make an arc with the 5 centimeters as A. So take the help of compass and scale and make sure that the measurement should be 5 centimeters. So this is 5 centimeters and draw at K and make this as a arc. So we get a point here. So this is the point. The point is A. So here we get A. Now by using a protractor, I am using the protractor because of this is the case of 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles. So I am using a protractor here. So step 4, take protractor and make 90 degrees at point A. So take the help of protractor at point A and measure 90 degrees as this and draw a line through these 2 points like this. So here we have 2 chances. One is in a rectangle opposite sides are equal. You have to make a arc with 7.7 centimeters from A. Otherwise you have make a 90 degrees from O. I am taking as a protractor as a step. So step 5. Step 5. Make another angle at O as 90 degrees as a point Y. So now take the protractor. Here already we have 90 degrees. So here also we have to measure 90 degrees. So this is a 90 degrees. Put a point here. So here we get a point easily at O, but we have to make sure that construction, this is the meeting point of both lines. This is point Y. Here also we get a 90 degrees. But in case of a rectangle, we have all points have 90 degrees. That is 4 right angles in a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. So this is 5 centimeters. Similarly, this is also 7 centimeters and this is also 5 centimeters. So finally we get a rectangle with the given parameters. So we constructed a rectangle with given parameters. So this is about the construction of a rectangle, that is a quadrilateral also, with a given adjacent sides and I took angles here, but you are comfort with the arc procedure, that is a compass procedure, you may follow that. So this is about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with exercise 4.4 from Practical Geometry 8th class NCERT. Question is, construct the following quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral TRUV. Here is the given sides and angles. TR is equal to 3.5 centimeters, RU is equal to 3 centimeters, UVA is equal to 4 centimeters, angle R is equal to 75 centimeters, and finally angle U is equal to 120 degrees. Here is the given 3 sides and 2 angles. In previous cases we already learnt about the how 3 sides and 2 angles, those are included, or adjacent sides are given. Then how to construct a quadrilateral, I already shown you in a previous videos. See the description box for the link. And now let's move into this question. Before making a quadrilateral, we have to make a rough sketch here. Then we will get a better picture in a construction of a quadrilateral. So let's make a step 1 as take a base anything. So here we have angle R and angle U. So now take a base as RU, that is R, this is U, 3 centimeters, and take the protractor here, this is step 1, and protractor here 7.5 centimeters, sorry, 75 degrees at angle R. So make a protractor, make the angle 75 degrees. And similarly angle U, this is step 2, that is 120 degrees. Okay, now we have TR at a 3.5 centimeters. So from R we have to make a arc. This is said to be T, that is with a 3.5 centimeters. This is step 3 and this is step 4. Similarly at U, UE as 4 centimeters. Make an arc with a 4 centimeters. Mark, join these 2 lines. This is E. TRUE quadrilateral is constructed here. Now let's move into the answer. Before going into the making steps, we have to write the given. So given TR is equal to 3.5 centimeters, RU is equal to 3 centimeters, UE is equal to 4 centimeters, and angle R is equal to 75 degrees, angle U is equal to 120 degrees. To construct a quadrilateral TRUE. So now step 1, take base as RU is equal to 3 centimeters. Now take the base RU is 3 centimeters. Now take the help of a scale and R and U. This is R, this is U with 3 centimeters. Now step 2. Step 2. Take an angle. Take protractor L to make angle 75 degrees at point R. So take the help of a protractor. Make sure that the point should be at 90 degrees and line should be parallel to the 0 degrees line, and makes 75 degrees. This is 70 and this is 75, and make a line joining these 2 points. So this is angle 75 degrees. Similarly take another step also. So step 3, make another angle 120 degrees at point C. So similarly take the protractor here and measure 120 degrees here. Now this is the line with the 120 degrees making at U. Take step 4 as RT we have to construct here given. So make an arc with a 3.5 centimeters as TR from point R. So now take the help of scale and make. So here we have a 3.5 centimeters as point T. Now similarly construct here. So that is step 5. Step 5, that is make another arc with the UE from here to E here. So with UE 4 centimeters from point U. So now take the help of a compass and scale and make sure that that is 4 centimeters in length. So this is 4 centimeters. Now make a arc here and now put a point where they met and it is point as E. Now combine these two points where T and E happen. So this is E, UE with a 4 centimeters. Finally we get a quadrilateral here. This is about the construction of a quadrilateral with the given parameters. Those are 3 sides and 2 included angles. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi. Hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with a topic, some special cases in a practical geometry 8th class NCERT. In previous videos, we already discussed about how the quadrilateral constructed with a given sides and a given angles and all sides. There are 4 cases in a previous videos. Check the description box for the link. And coming to here, we take one example. See here, is it possible to construct a rhombus ABCD where AC is equal to 6 centimeters and BD equal to 7 centimeters? Justify your answer. Yes, we can construct a rhombus because of rhombus is in the shape of like this. This is the parallelogram. In this rhombus, we know the properties of a rhombus. So, diagonals are perpendicular bisector. It means if you make a like this, let it be like A, B, C, D. So, here see, AC is equal to 6 centimeters and BD is equal to 7 centimeters. So, in this case, they gave a diagonals. So, diagonals are perpendicular bisector. So, if you make a 6 centimeters here, so put a point at 3 centimeters and make sure that this line should be 4.5 and 3.5 and this is 3.5 centimeters. This is 3 centimeters. This is also 3 centimeters. Why? Because of in a rhombus, we have a perpendicular bisectors. Those are diagonals. Okay. Now, let's join these edges of a rhombus. Then we get a rhombus like this. This is the rough sketch of a rhombus here given with a diagonals. Let's moving into the step-by-step procedure to construct a rhombus. So, before going into the procedure, we have to make a what is given. So, here given AC is equal to 6 centimeters and BD is equal to 7 centimeters. So, justification is the last answer I will give it. Now, construct a rhombus. So, step 1 is. So, let's take with us one diagonal. So, draw a diagonal with the 6 centimeters as AC. So, let's take scale, put the scale here and see here, this is AC. We are drawing like this. This is A, this is B and this is C and this is D. This is the construction of a rough sketch of a rhombus. So, let's make this is 0 point and this is 6 So let it be A and this is C. Put the point at a middle, that is 3 centimeters. So this is 3 centimeters and this is also 3 centimeters. Now DB, we are having 7 centimeters. So 7 divided by 2, that is 3.5. So at 3.5, get a middle point. So this is the exact middle point. Now here we get at 0 at one point and 7 at another point. Join these 2 points. So names as B and this is G. Now we get a 3.5 centimeters at one side and 3.5 centimeters at another side. Now we have to join the all sides. So here I forgot to write this step 2. So I am writing step 2. Draw a perpendicular bisector to AC as 7 centimeters, naming as BD. So this is BD we constructed. Next step 3. Join the all points of 2 diagonals and make a quadrilateral, that is rhombus. So make a rhombus ABCD. So join these 2 lines. So this is AD and this is C and this is D and this is B and this is A, B and C also. So here we get a rhombus like this, A, B, C, D. Now we have to justify the answer. So justification is, I am writing here. So justification. Here we constructed it, but justification is nothing but in a rhombus we know the properties of a rhombus. Those are diagonals or those diagonals are perpendicular bisectors. So that's why we can construct a rhombus. So by using this property we can construct a rhombus. This is the answer. This is the construction of a, in this case we constructed as like this. If you have to make a perpendicular bisector, you may use protractor also to make 90 degrees. This is the another step for the making a rhombus, but in this case I don't use the protractor. While it is easy to mention the perpendicular bisector here, that's why I cannot use. So if you want to use protractor, you can make a 90 degrees at a perpendicular bisector where the midpoint of a one line segment, that is a diagonal. Then you can draw a rhombus also. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with another topic, that is some special cases in our practical geometry from 8th class NCERT. In previous videos you have learnt about the some 4 cases. Those are if 3 adjacent sides and 2 angles given. If you take 2 sides and 3 angles given, Another type is all sides given. Another case is two angles and two diagonals given. So in previous cases we already constructed these cases with the three adjacent side and two angles, two sides and three angles, all sides are given, or two angles and two any diagonals are given. So these are the four cases. Already we solved the problems in a previous videos. See description box for the link. And coming to here, apart from these four cases, we have another case, that is some special cases. We have to construct a quadrilateral. So we need a four sides and four angles or a two diagonals. This is a basic quadrilateral construction. Apart from these angles and diagonals, if they give any, these are four cases we constructed already a quadrilateral. But coming to here is some special cases. This name itself, it is telling it as a, this is a special. So see here, draw a square of a side 4.5. In previous cases we already know, see here, sides or angles, any of these having more than two, either sides or angles. In this case we have only one side is given, but we have to construct a square, that is also a quadrilateral. So now let's moving into the making a square. So it is with a 4.5 centimeters. We know the property of a square. So let's move into the answer. Given, make a square or draw a square also of a side 4.5 centimeters. According to the square properties, we know four sides are equal and four right angles we have. See, if you construct a square like this, if these two lines and these two lines, those are all sides of a square are equal in length and having four right angles, that is nothing but we have 490 degrees here. So this is the property of a square. Apart from that, diagonals cut each other, those are bisecting, perpendicular bisector also. So here we don't give the about the diagonals, but we have to construct with the 4.5 centimeters with the corresponding 90 degrees angle. Let's make a small rough of a square with a given parameter. Then we get into a step-by-step procedure for making a original square. Okay, let it be base. First of all, we have to make a name to it. So let it be ABCD square. So this is A side and this is B. This is AB with a 4.5 centimeter. This is the step 1, and put a protractor at A, make 90 degrees, and similarly put a protractor here at B, make 90 degrees. And we know the another side, that is from B to C, all sides of a square are equal. So take the compass help, make an arc at a 4.5 centimeters. So let it be a point C. Similarly, take the step here also with a 4.5 centimeters. We get 2 points, those are C and D. Connect these 2 points, we get a square like this with the all sides equal. First of all, going into the step-by-step procedure, we have to name the square. So let's take square as ABCD. Step 1. So step 1, here draw a base with the, here we take AB. So with the 4.5 centimeters, name as AB. So measure 4.5 centimeters. So see 4.5. Make 2 points at 0 and another at a 4.5, and let it be named as AB 4.5 centimeters. This is the step 1. Next, step 2. Step 2, take protractor and make 90 degrees angle at point A and B respectively. So take the help of a protractor at A. Make sure that that point must be lies on the where we have to measure the angle, and line should be parallel to the 0 degrees line. So this is the correct way to present a protractor, make an angle. So let's put a point at a 90 degrees angle, and similarly take the B point to make a 90 degrees. So this is the 90 degrees at a and B. Now connect the two lines, 2 points where we get 90 degrees. So this is the 90 degrees and this is also 90 degrees. Next, coming to the step 3. Make an arc at point A and B with the help of compass with a 4.5 centimeters each, and name that points as D and C. Take a compass, measure 4.5 centimeters with the compass. There is no position error to make a measurement. So this is 4.5 centimeters. So put the divider, one pointer at a, make one arc. Similarly at B, make another arc. So we get a 2 points. This is C and this is D. Why this is C? This is the A, B, C, D quadrilateral. So that's why it is C, it is D. Join the 2 points, we get C and D. Like this. If you have any doubt, put a protractor here and make the angle and 90 degrees. So we get a C with a 90 degrees here. So it is correct. So here also we have 90 degrees. Here also we have 90 degrees. And here similarly here also. And sides 4.5 centimeters each in a square. So equal in length sides in a square. So this is about the construction of a square with a given one parameter, that is side. Finally, answer. We constructed a square with given side 4.5 centimeters. So this is the answer. So those are the cases, but in special cases they give one side, so we have to construct a square. If they give two sides, we have to construct a rectangle also, because of in a rectangle we know that opposite sides are equal in length and having 90 degrees each. So that's why we can construct a rectangle also. I hope you enjoyed this session. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box and click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.